Hi, I'm Gabrielle Herendeen, and welcome to my latest listing, 458 Palos Verdes Boulevard in Redondo Beach in the highly desired Hollywood Riviera. This townhome right behind us offers one of the larger footprints in this community with 3 bedrooms. It's been recently remodeled and features magnificent ocean views. I'm so excited to show you the inside. Here you have the 2-car attached garage with direct access. There's storage space and an awesome bonus room perfect for your home office. Just off the entry, you'll find this open living room. Here we have high ceilings, this fireplace focal point with a gas log set, and newer rich distressed hardwood flooring. As you continue through this room, you'll notice these sunny south-facing windows. There's a west-facing sliding glass door for letting in the ocean breeze. It leads right out to the first deck, which offers an ocean view as well as a view of the sparkling pool. The staircase here leads to the 3 bedrooms together upstairs. The primary suite features the best views in the house. You have your own balcony here and a generous walk-in closet. There's a 3/4 bathroom with dual sinks, and all the bathrooms here have been beautifully remodeled. The secondary bedrooms here do share a full hall bathroom, and the laundry is conveniently located upstairs with the bedrooms as well. Back down to the main level, the living space continues to this formal dining room, which connects through to the remodeled kitchen. Here we have recessed lighting, there's abundant white cabinetry, beautiful quartz countertops and backsplash, and stainless steel appliances. This kitchen is open to an additional dining space, and the living space is